The iCarsoft E660 2025 scanner is a versatile tool that can diagnose issues in 4 crucial vehicle systems, including the engine, ABS, transmission, and airbags. This scanner supports a wide range of vehicles, covering over 59 makes from 1996 to 2023 models, ensuring broad compatibility. With its OE-level diagnostic capabilities, the E660 allows you to read and erase codes, check IM readiness, and perform a variety of tests such as O2 sensor and EVAP system tests. The iCarsoft E660 offers 6 reset services, which include oil reset and TPMS reset, making it a valuable tool for ongoing vehicle maintenance. Real-time data recording and live graph view features allow for comprehensive vehicle monitoring and data review, enhancing the diagnostic process. Lifetime free updates and a 1-year warranty provide peace of mind, while the multilingual support caters to a global user base.